Welcome to CIT 360. It's great to have you in class. And as a part of this video, I want to welcome you to class and talk a little bit about the uniqueness of CIT 360. So the first thing that I want to talk about is a different learning experience. Many of you in the class have already been through several semesters at BYU Idaho, and there are others who are just starting out. But regardless of where you fit, I want you to make sure that this class has a different learning experience for you than any other class that you've taken at BYU Idaho. One of the key differences here is that we're here to prepare you for IT and technology life after BYU Idaho. And we're going to do that by modeling the way that you learn outside of school. So if I'm working at a company and the boss comes in and says, hey, we want to start using this new technology, 9 out of 10 times, the way that you're going to learn that is through research and exploration. And then if you even want to speed up the learning process more, you're going to work together as a team through learning sessions. This has happened to me on many different occasions where I've learned a new technology through these steps. And then on top of learning by research, exploration, and through sessions as a team, then we're also going to add on top of that, you really cementing what you've learned by developing a project or a personal application. So the learning experience is going to be very different. There's not lectures, there's research, there's you searching the internet, and sometimes you may feel like, gosh, what am I doing all this for? Can't the professor just lecture me? Well, that's great and works as you start to learn things in the academic world, but that's not the way that you're going to learn once you get outside of school. So we want you to start to understand what that learning experience is going to be like. So many students ask the question, so what do I need to do to be successful in this class? And so I just want to go through a few points here with you to help you understand. So we talked about the fact that it's going to be a different class. My suggestion to you is embrace the differences. Don't just think of this class as a programming class. This is a learning class. It's going to help you to know how you learn. It's going to help you to know, maybe some things about yourself that when you know them, you can truly start to learn in a new way and to learn in a better way. So it'll help you to enhance the skills that you have around research and hopefully exploration. One of the things that I tell students oftentimes is go out and find a great program that illustrates the technology that you're learning, but make it your own. Explore, change it, figure out how it ticks. And then what you turn into me is kind of the synthesis of all of that. The second piece is use your team. There's great power that comes by learning together as a team. This is key to learning outside of school. So meet with your team often. Work together, teach and learn. And as you do that, and as you really dedicate yourself to your team, you will learn so much. You'll learn about the technologies, you'll learn about yourself, you'll learn about learning, all of those things. And then the last step that I wanted to just tell you about is create a fully integrated personal application. So don't just build an application that uses these different technologies kind of on their own island. Rather, build an application that integrates deeply each of the technologies that you're learning in class. As you do that, not only will you be learning programming and the technologies that we're learning in class, but you'll be learning how things fit together and how development truly happens in a team integrated environment. So I hope that this will help you to be more successful and to better understand the approach that we're taking in CIT 360. Thank you.